Once upon a time, there lived 3 lonely cats down on Main Street. Meow, meow, meow. Oh, there's nothing to eat. I looked at the garbage cans and they're totally empty. Oh, don't worry. Somebody will throw something away. I haven't seen anything for weeks. I think people are keeping this town too clean. Suddenly, a truck drove by. It was the animal shelter truck. And it took all 3 of the cats with them. The 3 cats missed living on Main Street. Oh, I do miss Main Street. I miss all the happy families walking by and feeding us. Yeah, but hey, at least we have food and water here like all the time. Yeah, I mean, it's not too bad. You get kind of used to the bars, you know. I mean, you kind of have to peek around them. Well, I do hope we get adopted, all 3 of us together. Maybe we should have a plan. Maybe we should sing today to impress all the people that come by. I'll go first, and then you guys can take turns. How does that sound? Oh, I guess that sounds pretty good. What do you think? It's all right, sure. It looks like somebody's coming right now. And then there was a man who came by. Oh, these look like nice little cats. Meow, 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 meow. Oh my, these cats are too noisy. I must leave at once. Well, that plan didn't work. We must think of something else. Oh, I know. Maybe we should dance, you know, like wiggle around and jump and look more excited. Well, okay, that sounds good. We'll take turns. Here comes somebody right now. Oh, how cute. Look at the cats. And they started to dance. First, the fluffy cat. Oh, I wonder if something's wrong with that cat. What about this one? Maybe this one. Oh, I don't know. Something's wrong with these cats. I better go and tell the manager. Oh, boy. That did not work either. We're going to have to come up with another plan. Well, maybe we should just try to be ourselves and just be calm. Oh, how is that going to work? Oh, I don't know. He has a good idea. I mean, we've tried everything else. Yeah, let's try it, guys. Here comes somebody. Okay, now remember, just be yourselves. There was a little lady with lots of wisdom who was lonely herself. Oh, these cats are lovely. I just love them. Oh, there's a little fluffy white cat. Purr. Oh, she's so soft and beautiful. Purr. And there's a nice little scruffy brown cat. Purr. Oh, such a delight. And a little orange cat. Meow. Oh, I just love them all. I think I'm going to adopt all 3 of them. It's awfully sad you don't have names. Cat 1, Cat 2, and Cat 3. Oh, I will change that immediately. And so the little lady went to the office to adopt all 3 cats. So the lovely lady with wisdom took home the 3 little cats that she adopted. She fed them, she washed them, She gave them each their own little cat bed with their name on it as she named each one. Okay now, you, my little fluffy white cat, your name will be Cece. And then the little brown cat, you remind me of a city cat, so I'll call you City. And then you, little orange cat, you remind me of a cat who should be called Sigh. Oh, I love my little cat family. And the lovely lady and her 3 cats lived happily ever after. Hello there! How are you today? Guess what we're talking about? You probably don't know, so I'm going to tell you. We're talking about the letter C, and I know that you already know. It says K for cat, as in our little lineup here. K in cat, and K in cub, and K in cod. But did you know that the letter C, which normally says K, has a second sound? I wouldn't joke about that. And it will say S, you know, like a snake, when it's followed by E, I, or Y. So just remember this jingle. K says S when it's followed by E, I, or Y. I said K says S when it's followed by E, I, or Y. Oh, yeah. Okay, so guess what? In our story, we had cats, didn't we? We had cats that were in the animal shelter, and they were known as Cat 1, Cat 2, and Cat 3, until the lovely lady of wisdom, she's very nice, adopted all 3 of them, and then she named them. She named the white cat, the fluffy cat, C, eagle wings, E for eagle, C. Remember, when it's followed by E, I, or Y, it says S. Okay, so this is C. And this one, it's followed by an I. It. E for eagle. Eagle wings, remember? We talked about that earlier. Okay, so this is it. E. City. There's our city cat. And then this is a Y. Remember, when it's followed by E, I, or Y, this one is sigh. And there's on training wheels, it's going to say I for ice. Sigh. Okay, so we have Cece the cat, City cat, and Sigh. Voila! Hi guys, it's me, Jerome, and today we're talking about the letter C, which you know says ka, except it can say S for its second sound when it's followed by E, I, or Y. And even this S and this C together, it's just one sound. It says S when it's followed by an I. Okay? All right, so guess what? Assistant, move this aside. We've seen this ice cube for many weeks now. Okay? So, zoom in. All right, this says I, because there's a silent E at the end, but this is followed by, remember, E, I, or Y. It's followed by an E. Even though it's silent, it makes this say its second sound. And this says I for ice. And this is how we spell ice. Okay, and then look at all these words you can make. Ice. Yeah. Mice. Yeah, have you ever had mice in your house? They can be kind of scary, you know. Somebody help me. How do I get rid of them? Do I give them rice? Maybe they'll, here's some rice. Go away. Hey, go away. Shoo. Anybody know, have an idea how to get rid of these mice? Hello there. Okay, today. All right, I want you to look at this sheet. Look at this word. Zoom in, please. Okay, we've got A for acorn, and then we have the letter C. Does it say K or S? What's it followed by? A silent E. So it's going to say its second sound S. So it says ace. Okay. What is this? It is a ace. And guess what? I got a hat to try on. Jerome likes to buy me hats. Okay, so I'm trying on this one. Oh dear. It has lace on my face. And it's kind of itchy. Okay, I don't like it. It's itchy. Okay, maybe I should try another one. Get the lace off of my face. Oh, yes. Okay, guys, what about this one? I think this is the one I always like. I like this one. Okay, goodbye. Hey, guys, it's me, Jerome, and it's time for letter art. Oh, yeah. Okay, we are going to draw our 3 cats from our story. So get a dark marker. Here we go. We're going to draw the white fluffy one. Let's draw like a hairy circle. Okay, see, I'm kind of having my assistant break up her line. Use some points for cat ears and a curve and a point. There you go. And just do some dots. A little V for the nose and a line. A little curve and a little curve. Okay, you got a curve. We can go all the way around. You can go down this way if you want first. Kind of a hairy broken line. Okay, and then a curve on the back. Okay, look at the tail. It's going to be broken up there. Okay, broken lines. And then come back. Good. And then we got a curve and then broken lines. Okay, and then it's kind of a hairy line that closes it up. Okay, and then little feet. Down, over, and up. Down, over, and up. Down, over, up. Down, over, up. Some little toes. Okay, so she's really furry, so that's why we did a lot of broken lines. You can add a few more little textures if you want. Don't push down too dark or too hard with your marker. Okay, and that's probably good. So she looks pretty fluffy. Okay, let's go to the next one. Pointed ears and little curve, pointed ears. Okay, and kind of a broken line for the head. It's kind of scruffy looking. Okay, and then you got a V and a line. It's kind of a line across, and some eyes are wide apart. Okay, and then kind of broken lines here. Okay, and then let's do this line and up for the tail. Scruffy lines. Kind of broken up, kind of wiggly, not like straight across. And then the leg going straight down, around, and up. Another one down, around, and up. And then go back, down, around, and up. One more. Okay, and then he's kind of scruffy, just lightly. Don't push too hard with your marker. Just lightly touch with the marker to make him look kind of scruffy. Okay, and then some whiskers. We forgot to give her some. All right, and then we're going to do one more cat. Okay, so nice round head over here. Pointed ears. 2 dots for eyes, and then a V, and then a line. Okay, whiskers. Okay, we're going to do a line across and a tail and come all the way down. Okay, and then a foot. Come up, and then we're going to go all the way over to the front one. And go down and up. Go over just a little bit and go down. It's not as long. And then come all the way up to the side of the face. Okay, and then one more leg. Not as long. Nice. Okay, little toes. Okay, and then this one's not quite as fluffy, so you don't really have to do too much with the texture, and that's probably good. Okay, see, we drew all 3 cats. All right, we're going to name them. So our first one was named C. Okay, so it's the letter C followed by E for eagle. Okay, so we're gonna write eagle wings, C, and then it has 2 beats, C. So we'll put a little dot there. There you go, C. And then this one was city cat. So get a green, I need a green marker or crayon. Okay, so you need the C. It's gonna be followed by an I, but it's an I. So I for Iggy. That's why it's green, I for Iggy. Okay, it, E, but it's a Y that says E. So we gotta put eagle wings on it for a reminder. Okay, you might want to get a brown crayon. There you go. City. And then this one was just sigh. Okay, so it was a C followed by Y. Remember our rule when it's followed by E, I, or Y. Okay, and it says, remember Y can be a vowel. It says I in here. If you need to, reminder, put the little puddle, I for ice that melts. Okay, look at that. We did it. Good job, guys. And don't forget our list.